Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited. This one is in the Blizzard Pearl exterior with the black leather. Then coming to our window sticker, we do have a few options. We have the sliding rear cargo deck, as well as the special color. We also do have our phone chargers and 2 USB charging outlets in the second row for a total of 43,854. Gas mileage is going to be 17 city and 21 out on the highway. This one is a 4x2 model. And then coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Yokohama Geolander tires. These are going to be your 20-inch alloys with black painted inserts. And then coming around back, you do have your trailer hitch, parking sensors, rear backup camera, and your power sliding rear glass. Smart key access on this vehicle as well. So you just have the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, foot on the brake, and press your button to start. This one does have 2 miles on it. So let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath the hood, we do have a 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. It does feature dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 270 horsepower and 278 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the rear wheels in this example, or you do have optional 4-wheel drive and a 5-speed automatic transmission. MPG is going to be 1721 with a 23-gallon tank, and it can tow up to 5,000 pounds. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we do have that perforated black leather interior, contrast white stitching, all your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar. We also do have our 2-person memory settings down here that you do get on your limited models. Stitched upper door panel, padded and stitched armrest down here, all automatic windows, power locks, and your power mirrors. We'll go ahead and close up. As well as over here you do have your panel dim, parking sensors, windshield wiper de-icer, and your AC outlet activation. And coming to your steering wheel, it's going to be a 4-spoke, leather-wrapped wheel, perforated portions on the side with your side bolstering curve extensions. A little 4-way D-pad for your audio system, as well as your Bluetooth and voice commands. Display button is to control your dot matrix display between your gauges, as well as more audio controls down here. Cruise control is going to be on a separate stalk right here. We also do have our automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers. Over on the right are variable intermittent speed wipers. Coming to your audio system, this is going to be your premium JBL head unit with AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs. Going to your apps, we do have a navigation. It is a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. You can input multiple destinations through address, point of interest, previous destinations, or designate 6 different presets down below. And then going home, split screen views you can customize in your settings, 2-panel or 3-panel, and you can choose what each panel has. Below that, dual zone auto climate with your driver and front passenger. Zones, fan speed, as well as AC, recirc, all that kind of stuff. Heated mirrors as well. You do have your USB and auxiliary inputs, 12-volt power outlet, and your heated and ventilated front seats. Right here's going to be your 5-speed automatic transmission. You have a sport mode with manual shift, and then in reverse you do have that rear view camera right there. Some storage, more storage right here. This is where your 4-wheel drive controller would be if you got a model equipped. Rear power sliding glass. As you can see in your rear view mirror, that does roll right down, and then going back up it is automatic. Coming back here, padded and stitched armrest, plenty of room in there with another 12-volt. Dammed glove box with your chargers and your owner's manuals. Auto dimming rearview mirror up top. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor, as well as your traction control off. We also do have our 3 garage home links, map lights, sunroof controls. It is automatic, and you can push it once more to go farther back. And then below that we do have our SOS Safety Connect with some sunglass storage. So that's about it for the front seat. We'll go ahead and check out the rear now. And coming back here, same perforated black leather. All your door panel materials follow through as well with your padded and stitching, automatic window, and your door storage. front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame. Plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below. With your dual seat mat pockets, rear AC vents, two 12-volt outlets, and those two charging USBs down there. Over here to my right, padded armrest with cup holders. Then up top, we have a dome light with your cornering handles and coat hooks on either side. And of course behind me there is a third row option you can get on the 4Runner, but this particular model has the sliding cargo deck instead. So we'll go ahead and check that out, and then we will wrap up the video. Coming around back, opening up your trunk is as easy as the membrane underneath your 4Runner logo. These two buttons right here, as long as you have the smart key on you, you can raise and lower your power glass or lock and unlock your doors. Opening this right up, you'd have your 40-20-40 split folding rear seat. So if you do have longer items like a snowboard, skis, lumber, you can just drop that center seat and still have 4 passengers. Your sliding rear cargo deck can hold up to 440 pounds. So if you do have larger items, it'll make it easier to put them on the deck and slide them in. Or if you're just tailgating and stuff like that, you can sit on it. Here's that 120-volt power outlet right there, as well as your car outlet. JBL premium audio right there, and then more of your speakers for your audio system. And so that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota 4Runner Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All their information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.